Assalamualaikum, my name is Warda, roll number 23, and this is the recording of exercise number 2 of geocoding, which consists on creating composite address locator. And for this purpose, let me share my screen with you. Composite address locator basically it is consists on more than two address locator for a location. It consists on two or more individual address locators. For example, a composite address locator may contain or consist on street address locator or zip code locators. It is an example of composite address locator, and in this exercise consists of how to create composite address locator and consists of several steps, which I mentioned over here. First, I need to open my ArcGIS and open the reference data file. Navigate towards that folder where I have placed my reference geocoding MXT. So let's do this. I have opened ArcGIS. अब यहाँ पे इस फोल्डर को क्लिक करेंगे इस ओपन डॉक्यूमेंट के ऑप्शन को, और यहाँ पे जो है जिस फोल्डर में मेरा डेटा पड़ा हुआ है वहाँ पे जाके मैं ये रेफरेंस MXT की जो फाइल है उसको ओपन करूँगी. It will take some time. अच्छा, अब यहाँ पे मेरे पास जो मेरा रेफरेंस डाटा है वो ओपन हो गया हुआ है. For creating composite address locator, I have to follow the same steps which I have followed in previous exercise 1. तो अब यहाँ पे जो मेन फोल्डर है उसके ऊपर मुझे क्लिक करना है and then new, and I have to click this composite address locator. After clicking this option, a dialog box will appear. यहाँ पे this step I have to open this street address locator. After clicking this, I have to specify the name of this locator and the output folder. And then OK. By clicking on OK, a composite address locator will generate. Address locator and composite address locator will generate by clicking this catalog option and by clicking on folder on catalog table. So a composite address locator will generate it over here, and that is the second exercise of geocoding. I'm going to save the changes. That was the second exercise of geocoding, and इस एक्सरसाइज में हम लोगों ने देखा कि कैसे कंप्यूटर एड्रेस लोकेटर जनरेट करते हैं। बेसिकली एड्रेस लोकेटर जनरेट करने के लिए हम लोगों को जो कैटलॉग का ऑप्शन है वहाँ पे जो है वो क्लिक करके, तो फिर वो जो फोल्डर है उसके ऊपर क्लिक करके हमें कंप्यूटर एड्रेस लोकेटर और एड्रेस लोकेटर जनरेट करने की ऑप्शन आती है। और फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज और सेकंड एक्सरसाइज रिलाई करती थी, कंसिस्ट करती थी कि कैसे ये दोनों एड्रेस लोकेटर्स जनरेट होते हैं। अब सेकंड So my name is Warda, roll number 23, and it was my second exercise of geocoding.